You're going to take the green part, the tints and the shades, and we're going to work on cutting the triangles. So take your paper and we're going to fold it in half. And then you are going to cut on that fold line so that you'll have two pieces of paper. We're going to use one of them at a time. We're going to draw tall triangles. Notice how I turn the paper horizontal so that it's wide, and I'm making the triangles go from the top of the paper to the bottom of the paper. You should be able to get at least 3 or 4 good sized triangles. And I'm just numbering them so you can see that they're flipped upside down. And then we're going to cut them out, cut on the line so that you have these tall triangles. And you're going to place those in the foreground, in that front part of your paper. They are your tall trees because they are closest to you. You're going to take the other half of your paper and fold it hot dog style. And then you will cut on that piece of paper. Now you have two pieces. We'll just use one at a time. On the back, draw tall triangles on the back. You'll be able to draw a lot of them. You really may not use all of them, but you can just draw a whole roll of triangles and cut them out carefully. These are going to go in the middle ground. We're going to take that last piece of paper and fold it again, hot dog style, and cut once again. And now you are going to make triangles on this paper. Make them as tall as the paper. These are going to be in the background, so these are your small trees. And again, you may not use all of them, but go ahead and just draw them and cut them out. These will be placed in the background. Boy, we made a lot of trees. It's like a forest. So now you will glue them down. And glue stick seems to work really well. You'll have to take them back off and remember that the big ones go on in the foreground, middle ground or the medium, and the smaller ones are in the background. So you're going to glue them all down. And then you will add trunks to the trees as you go. So put glue stick on the back, put them in place, and then take your brown crayon and draw a trunk and a few branches. And I would just draw that as I go, as I do each area.